Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about 1 minus tanh of a square equal to secant of a square. So we need to change this one into this one. So you will have secant of 3x squared. Next, we have the second formula in here. Secant of a equal to 1 over cosh of a. So we need to change this one into this one. Next, this one will go to numerator. Next, we know that tan of 3x squared will change sin of 3x squared over cos of 3x squared. Next, this one multiplied by number 1 and this one. So this one we got sin of 3x squared. Next, we have the last formula. That is about cos of a square sin a square equals to cos 2a. That means this one we have cos of number 2 multiplied by 3x and we have cos 6x, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.